Come cook with me while I am on Oxycontin and my leg is broke. Spinach, salmon roll ups. Here we go. Patting off my salmon. Here's the seasonings I'm using. Bam, here we go. Pasta, there we go. Look what the fuck. That's what happens when you high. I'm high. The meds was kicking in at that moment. The meds are look at me trying to pick up what it's just that Raven. Me, you plus Oxycontin. Oh my god, here's some heavy whipping cream. I'm taking the salmon off. Heavy whipping cream, making a sauce now for my salmon roll-ups. And some cream cheese. And now I'm making the filling. Right here, that's cream cheese. And then it's all the other shit. Like, okay. Y'all know, y'all done seen these videos before. Y'all know what's in there. I'm mashing it up. Yeah. Now I'm adding my salmon in there. There we go. And I mash it all together, because why the fuck not? Okay. Now I'm gonna show y'all motherfuckers how to do one roll. Okay. One roll, that's it. Just imagine it times about 6. I'm just putting it in there. Putting it in there, stuffing it. I didn't know what to expect because I was very high then. I'm still very much high now. For those who do not know, I tore the hip bone connected to my leg bone, and now I'm just fucked up around here, but I still gotta eat. Okay? Okay, then we're gonna put that little, there you go, bam. Okay. That was real fast. I don't know what the fuck was going on, but that's what it came out when I looked out the oven. And I started plating it for my man because when I'm hurting, I be mean as hell, and he liked it. So there you go, bye.